Hallo und herzlich willkommen. Welcome to this video. This is a very simple and basic video on some very simple German sentences. I have a request here. It says, can you please make videos about basic grammar in German, how to form a sentence, etc. Just started learning A1 Deutsch. Thank you very much. Okay, so I wrote down 4 very simple words. Essen, to eat. Trinken, to drink. Üben, to practice. Lernen, to learn. Essen, trinken, üben, lernen. Okay. Now in present tense, when we want to say I eat, for example, right? We just drop the final N of the infinitive. So we say ich esse. I eat, or I'm eating. Ich esse. Ich esse. Okay, now you could say ich esse Spaghetti. I'm having spaghetti. I'm eating spaghetti, right? Ich esse Spaghetti. Now, if you want to emphasize, I'm doing it at the moment. I'm eating spaghetti. The English ing form is gerade in German. So you would say ich esse gerade Spaghetti. Okay, so what are you doing? Ich esse gerade Spaghetti. Ich esse gerade Spaghetti. Ich esse gerade Spaghetti. The next one is trinken. Ich trinke. I'm drinking or I drink. Ich trinke jetzt Kaffee. Jetzt means now. So I'll have a coffee now. I drink coffee now. Right? Ich trinke gerade Kaffee. Hi, ich trinke gerade Kaffee. Okay, tschüss. Okay, so I'm having a coffee at the moment. Very bad example. Okay, so next one is lernen. Ich lerne. I'm learning. Ich lerne heute Deutsch. Heute means today. So, I'm learning German today. I'm going to learn German today. It has many meanings. It can have present meaning, future meaning, right? Depending on context, right? So, ich lerne gerade Deutsch. I'm practicing German at the very moment. Okay? Ich lerne heute Deutsch. Today I'm gonna practice. Today I'm gonna learn some German, right? The last one is ich übe. Ich übe really means to practice, just to practice. Whereas learn also means to learn, to go all the way, right? But üben is just to practice. So you could practice anything, playing on the piano or whatever. So, ich übe heute Deutsch. I'll practice German today. I am practicing German today. Ich übe gerade Deutsch. I'm practicing German at the moment. Yeah. Okay. Ich übe morgen Deutsch. I'll practice German tomorrow. So you can use this form also to express future things that will happen in the future. Yeah. I think that shouldn't be too difficult. This is how you can build simple German sentences. Now, I want to show you something else, which is very useful. If you want to say, I want, okay? Now, look, this sentence stays the same exactly. So, for example, I want to eat spaghetti today, okay? Ich will heute Spaghetti essen. Ich will heute Spaghetti essen. I want to have spaghetti now. Ich will jetzt Spaghetti essen. I want to have spaghetti tomorrow. Ich will morgen Spaghetti essen. Okay? Ich will gerade Spaghetti essen. We wouldn't say that, right? Okay, but all the rest you can use with ich will. Ich will gerade Spaghetti essen. You could hear it, but usually you wouldn't say it. Okay, now you can say, for example, ich will morgen Deutsch lernen. Okay, so I want to practice German tomorrow. Or ich will morgen Deutsch üben. Üben really means to practice, right? Okay, I've got the two words twisted here. Okay, and the next one is ich muss, I have to, I must, I have to. Ich muss heute Deutsch üben. I have to practice German today. Ich muss jetzt Kaffee trinken. I have to drink coffee now. For example. Yeah. Okay. That's it. That was a very simple and short video. I hope you liked it. Please share it, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you very much for watching, and enjoy all the other videos you can find on my channel. Bis dann. Tschüss.